All right, so this video is going to guide you through step by step how you can withdraw your Onyx, okay, into your Onus exchange app, right? And then stake the Onyx to earn MIA, Mion, and FCNY, okay? Now, Mion is going to be listed on the 6th of September as announced by Onus Exchange. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through step by step how you can withdraw your own Onyx from your Telegram Onus Tap Tap app. Okay, so we're just going to start from this is the Onus Exchange app already. So, but let's head over to the Onus Telegram app. Okay, mini bot. Now, to this is I've actually made a couple of withdrawals. I've withdrawn over 100,000 Onyx and I've staked all, right? And I want to show you how you can do that right now. So, but before then, you need to be eligible to make withdrawals. And to check your eligibility, I want to believe many of you have checked already, but those of you that are still demanding on how to withdraw, that's why I'm making this. So you click on the wallet and you need to have performed the wallet task, okay? And they have actually lowered the requirements. Number one, you need to open Onus account, connect your Onus, that is this Telegram Onus, to your Onus Exchange app. I'll show you where to do that if you've not done that. And then you need to have completed your KYC. Initially, there is another condition, a third and fourth condition, but they have withdrawn those conditions, one of which is that you need to make it a $10 or 10 USDT deposit, and the fourth one is that I need to trade up to I think 500 USD volume of trade, but they have removed those conditions now. So if you have opened your Onus account, then you need to connect your Onus exchange to your Telegram account. I will show you where you're going to do that from the Onus exchange app, and then you need to have completed your KYC. And that's when you come over here and then check the eligibility. You see you're going to be eligible if you click on that eligibility check. So when you see something like this, then you are good to go. You can withdraw. So before I place a withdrawal, let's head over to the Onus app. Let me show you. Now, if you are from Nigeria or any other country that you are finding it difficult to verify to complete your KYC on Onus, please, I made a video on that already. You can check it in the description, but the link will be there. You can also scroll up, whether you're watching from YouTube or TikTok, okay, you can always see it right on my channel or page. So to complete your KYC, you click on this icon, okay, your profile icon, and then you're going to see account verification. Okay, this is where you click to continue your KYC and complete your KYC. You can see I'm verified, right? If I want to move to the next step of verification, I will just do this, okay, advanced verification. But with this verification, you are good to go. Okay, that's where you click to do your verification. But aside that, to link your Onus app, this Onus exchange app now, to your Telegram Onus tap bot, okay, you click on profile. I'm going to link a lot of things, okay, that is required. Your name, your original name, your everything is you're going to see it here, right? Then to link your Telegram to your Onus app here, okay, the Telegram where you are mining Onyx. This is where you can also link your Facebook, you can link your Zalo if you have, but Telegram is the most important thing you need to link. So it's just to copy your Telegram username, okay, not your name, not your Telegram name, but username that starts with @ so you click on it and then you link it up and you are good to go. Okay, remember the main thing I want to do in this, I already covered something like this in the previous video. The main thing I want to do in this video is to withdraw and then to stake. So I will head over to my Onyx app, tap bot. Look at it now, Onus tap tap. Okay, then from the home page you click on this icon. Click on this icon you are seeing that looks like wallet. When you click on it, when you are eligible already, then you impute the quantity of Onyx that you want to withdraw. So in this case, I want to withdraw 100,000 and I'm going to stake everything. Okay, then you hit on withdraw to wallet, then it will go straight into your Onus app. Look at what I have here now. Okay, look at what I have. I have VNDC, I have USDT here. So it's going to land somewhere here. It's going to land somewhere here. I'm showing you so that you see when it lands. So having imputed 100,000, and then I'm going to click on withdraw to wallet. Successfully withdraw 100,000 Onyx to Onus wallet. So I'll click on done, You can see my balance has changed to 332. Okay, and then we'll go over to our Onus app and then refresh to see what we got here. You can see, look at it, it has reflected immediately. Now to stake, to earn Mion, Mia, and FNYC, then you are just going to click on that balance that you have withdrawn. Now when you click on it, it's going to take you to this place. Now you can see these are 3 tokens that you can stake your Onyx to be bond, and then you earn them in return. Now I think 2 of these has been listed already. FNCY has been listed, Mia has been listed, is Mion that's going to be listed on the 6th. And when you are when it is on staked for you, you have your equivalent or your reward, okay, in these tokens. So I'm just going to click on them one by one and stake, in a rationalized manner. So I'm just going to click on FNCY now. Okay, I have stakes on this already. Okay, you can see this, I've staked 35,000 on this already, but I'm going to stake more. It will add to this. So I'm just going to stake like 30,000 from the 100. So I can type in what I want to stake here, or I will drag, right? Let me just type in, instead of dragging, 30,000, and that 30,000 is going to give me only 6.9 FNCY. Okay, or let me make this yeah, 30,000 is okay. Then I'll click on stake. It will be added to what I've staked already. So I'll click stake and then stake again. So it's added to my stake. You can see it has changed to 65. That is for FNCY, right? So I will go back and then I'll click on Mia. Look at it, Mia. When I click on Mia, I also have a stake on this already. I have 35,000. So I'm going to also stake more by clicking here, and then I will impute the quantity I want to stake. And let's say I want to stake let's say, let me just type in, okay, let me say 40,000. The 40,000 is just going to give me 0.9 of the token of the Mia. So I'll click on stake, confirm, and then stake, right? So it will be added to what I've staked already, 75,000. Then I'll go back and click on this Mion. Okay, Mion, I have a stake of 57 already, so I'll click on stake. The remaining balance, I'm just going to click on max, whatever that is remaining, I'll just stake it. That's all. You click stake again, you click stake, and that's all. I've exhausted, click done. I've exhausted what I've withdrawn just right now. So I'll wait for the staking period to elapse, which of course, if you click them, when I click them, you saw the staking period is 21 days, but it may not last for the 21 days. When they want to list, they're going to stake, and I will have my reward. So that's basically how you can do it. If you have further questions, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel. The link will be in the bio if you're watching from TikTok, and the link will be in the description box if you're watching from YouTube, right? Join us. We give daily updates. We guide you on how you can navigate certain platforms and make it easier for you. We're also active and buying USDT for those who sold their dogs, following the video guide we gave, right? Whatever question you have, leave in the comment section. Leave your decent comment, like, follow, share with others, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.